Good morning, class. Welcome to Wednesday. Our first project that we're going to do is we're going to start with our sticks. Eventually, we're going to make sure that you have like 10 of these sticks so that you can count up to 10, and possibly we can maybe go up to 20. So I would love to make it up to 20. But since our number of the week is 6, we are only going to go up to 6 for today. In your packet from the bus driver, you should have gotten a little packet that has some popsicle sticks in it, some feathers, some pom-poms. Be careful with what you're collecting. Make sure it says Wednesday on there, because you do have pom-poms for another project that we sent home. So go ahead and take your items out. In some of your videos, I did see that some of you do have the white Elmer's glue out of the white bottle. This project would probably be better if you use that glue instead of the glue stick. So if you need that, go ahead and get it. And you're probably going to need a black marker to write your numbers on.
Let me start with that.
Yep.
Okay. So
Great.
we've got our 6 popsicle sticks.
And I would number them. Let's start out by numbering them so that we know which one we're going to write. So we're going to put 1 on the first one because that's our number 1. And then the rest, we're going to do a 2. Then we're going to have a 3, 4, 5, and a 6. And when you're done, you should have 6 popsicle sticks numbered 1 through 6. All right, and before we start, after you number your popsicle sticks, sort out the items that we gave you. So to make sure that, like, I gave you 1 letter. It should be the first letter of your name. My letter of my name is Lori.
And mine is T for Tabitha.
Tabitha. So
then we have 2 feathers. 1, 2.
then you should have 3 gems.
Yours might be different from ours, but you should have 3 gems.
Yeah, 3 different gems. And then you should have 4 pom-poms.
Oh, almost fell on my glue. You're gonna have 5 of these little square pieces.
And then 6 of these, like, they're kind of like confetti, kind of like foil looking.
Yeah, sequin
Little things. So make sure you have them and put them out so that you know where they're at. So we're gonna do our 1. Get your first letter of your name out. I'm gonna use a paintbrush to dip it into the glue and then rub it on there. If you want to do that, you can, but make sure you wash the brush when you're done.
I am gonna use glue too.
And when you do it, you're putting the glue on there, try not to put it to the side because it needs to dry. Okay, I'm gonna show you real quick, but then I'm gonna put mine to the side because it's already starting to fall. And then put it to the side.
Just like that. Yep, it's slipping.
Yep. So then after the 1, get your number 2. And then that one we're gonna use the feathers. So I think the feathers might be a little bit easier. I'm just gonna put paint on my
On the stick.
on the stick,
Me too.
and then place my feather. You might want to do it sideways so that they both stick to it. So that we have 2 feathers on there. And then also place this to the side so that it can dry, okay? We're gonna have to be very, very patient with this.
So I have 2 feathers on there.
Hers is yellow and orange. And mine is red and blue. What color are yours? All right, then number 3 is where we're gonna get the gems. Your 3 gems. 1, 2, and 3.
I got a little blue on your
Now, you could probably put the gems on there so you can see where you're gonna put them before you glue them.
And we have paper down so that we don't get our table full of glue. Just any old paper you have. Ours is scratch
You
paper.
can even put newspaper down too if you have newspaper.
An old magazine, whatever you want. So there's my 3 gems. And then I'm gonna set that aside to let it dry.
Oh my God, I love the way the gems make that glistening. All right, so we're gonna put that to the side, and then let's grab 4. And then grab your 4 pom-poms. I'm gonna hold it up like this so that you can, because if I do this, I don't want it to fall off, just to let it dry a little bit. Kind of looks like a caterpillar, huh?
Yeah, it does look like a caterpillar.
Kind of like that book I read to you the other day about what happens when, before caterpillar turns into a what? What did the book say that the caterpillar turns into? You tell me. 5, number 5.
Those are our little square pieces. We have 5 of these little, if you can see that.
Yeah, they're
square
really,
pieces.
really tiny. But they look really cute when you put them on. Ooh, I just found out. One side is pink and the other side is orange. So go ahead and pick which side color that you want to put on there.
Oh,
Yeah,
look
Miss
at
Lori
that.
just found that out. And that is what it looks like.
1,
So
2,
cool.
3, 4, 5.
And our last stick, number 6, is where we're going to be using these foil, confetti, glittery little ones. There should be 6 there for you. Next week, when we do number 7, we'll do our number 7. And then by the time we probably end school in June, you should have 100 maybe. We'll see how many we can get.
How far we can go.
Because, you know, when we're doing counting numbers is infinity. Does anyone know what infinity means? Forever. We can go on forever with our numbers. Look at the sign.
Does Mrs. Lori's number 6 remind you of a season? It reminds me of a season.
Fall. Which
Fall with the leaves, the oranges, the greens, and the yellows. And mine kind of looks like winter. There's even, I think, a little snowflake on it.
I would love, 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 love to see your videos and pictures because I think this is a really cute activity. Keep these safe so that we can use them for counting. Maybe I might have another project someday that I'm going to ask you to call. I'm going to ask you to get them out and then we'll count together. All right? See you later.